In this short Excel video, I will teach you how to add a line break in Microsoft Excel. This is going to be fun. Let's get started. And here I am in Excel, and I've got a spreadsheet here with a list of employees. And let's say I want to type in some details about Jared. I could click here in the food permit status column, and it selects this cell, and then I can double click on the cell to type inside that cell. Maybe I want to put in a note saying, Jared needs a bit more time to complete this due to health issues and reassignment in the company. I'll tap enter, and you can see what happens. Excel is kind of hiding some of that data, and this is completely normal. And if I double click on that cell, I get to see everything that's in the cell, so it's fine. This is not really a problem. But if I really want to be able to see all of the information that's in cell E5 at a glance, I have a few options, and one of them, of course, is to double click between E and F. If I do that, it will show everything in that cell, but it stretches out column E so far that I'm not able to see everything at a glance that I want to see. So I'm going to hold Control and tap Z to undo that. Instead of double clicking between E and F, I'm going to use line breaks to make everything fit the way I want it to. So I'm going to double click after the word and you can see I have a flashing cursor there, and then I'll just hold the Alt key and tap Enter. And that puts a line break right there in the cell. Maybe I want another line break here. Alt Enter, and another here. Alt Enter, and another here, Alt Enter, and a last line break after the word the, Alt Enter. Now when I tap Enter, you can see what happens. Column E is exactly the same width as it was before, but all of my data that's in cell E5 is visible at a glance. Now the consequence of doing this is that row number 5 now is much taller than any other row. But in many cases, that's totally fine. It might be just what you want. Now, there are other ways to accomplish something similar, including wrap text, and also an option called shrink to fit. And you can find that here if you click the dialog box launcher button. There's shrink to fit. So if you want to learn about those other options, please watch my other videos. But for now, I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you did, please like, follow, and subscribe. And when you do, click the bell and you'll be notified when I post another video. If you'd like to support my channel, the best way to do that is to become a channel member. But you could also click the thanks button below the video. You could support me through my Patreon account or by buying channel merch. And you'll see information about those options in the description below the video. Speaking of supporting the channel, thank you so much to my fantastic Super Techie channel supporters. You are awesome. Thank you for what you do to support the channel. Also, if you haven't already done so, please consider buying some channel merch. You can see here how the black t-shirt looks, but there are all sorts of colors and other merch options.